Son of a bitch!
Check, please.
I can't believe it.
Life's a fragile thing here. One minute you're chewing on a burger, the next minute you're dead meat.
But he blamed me. You heard him. Those were his last words.
Not if you count the gurgling sound.